Good morning, this is Mayor Pat with my weekly update. Many people across Western Carolina, as we move toward the end of this week, will be commemorating the devastating storm, Hurricane Helene, who ravaged our communities in Western Carolina 1 year ago this week. I hope that you'll take time to reflect, offer prayers to the victims of Hurricane Helene and their families, and also be mindful of the many people who are still working to restore their property, their homes, and businesses after this terrible disaster. I want to thank all of the people that responded to this terrible storm, especially our first responders throughout the state and even the nation, and also the many volunteers who stepped forward to help people during this terrible time of distress. I also want to thank the people of Highlands, because while we did have damage and we were impacted by the storm, we had many people from our faith community and churches and our nonprofits to step forward and provide support for our neighbors here in Western Carolina. So, as I say, please take a moment to reflect during this week concerning this terrible disaster that befell Western North Carolina. Hope that you have a wonderful week in this beautiful fall season. And as always, I'll continue to be your mayor on duty.